Here we are in Sharm el-Sheikh at the great rains of March 2014. You can see, you can hear the water beating down. Now this is a very, very rare situation here in Sharm el-Sheikh. It's been raining on and off since this morning, 11 o'clock. It's now 4 o'clock. And the problem is it keeps coming down in big storms like this, and it is unfortunately flooding a lot of areas within the hotel. But we're working against it. The housekeeping team are out there with all the other teams. Less torrential rains were 2010 at Christmas time. It's still warm. Let me add you that. The positive is the fact that it is still warm. It's warm rain opposed to England's cold rain.